Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for Better You. Does this ever happen to you? You are in a conversation. You have a great idea in your head. But when you open your mouth to speak, nothing comes out. Your mind goes completely blank. It can be very frustrating. Today, we will fix this problem together. I will teach you a simple method. It takes only 10 seconds to use. It is called the keyword method. This method uses brain science to help you think faster and speak smarter. By the end of this video, you will learn this powerful technique. You will know how to organize your thoughts instantly. And near the end, I will share a special brain trick. This trick will help you make this skill a permanent habit, so please watch until the end. The real problem in your brain. First, we must understand the problem. Why does your mind go blank? It is not because your English is bad. It is not because you are not smart. The reason is something called cognitive load. Think of your brain like a small computer. It can only do a few things at one time. When you speak English, you try to do many things. You try to remember vocabulary. You try to use correct grammar. You try to form a perfect sentence. And you try to think of your main idea. This is too much work for your brain. It is cognitive overload. When your brain is overloaded, it just shuts down. That is when your mind goes blank. Many people think the solution is to study more. They learn more words. They study more grammar. This is like putting more files onto an already slow computer. It does not solve the real problem. The real solution is not to add more. The solution is to do less. We need a simpler system. The 10-second solution, the keyword method. This is where the keyword method helps. It is a simple system to reduce cognitive load. It gives your brain one simple job to do first. This job is to find one single keyword. Your keyword is your main idea. It is the most important word in your thought. When you focus on just one keyword, your brain can relax. It does not need to build a full sentence yet. It only needs to find one word. This takes only 5 or 10 seconds. But this one step changes everything. Okay, you understand the problem now. You understand the theory. But many people think the answer is to learn complex theories. That is wrong. The secret is not about more information. It is about less. It is about finding one simple key to unlock all your thoughts. This key will change how you speak forever. Are you ready to learn how to use this key? Let's practice together. Step 1. Speak with one keyword. We will start with just one keyword. Imagine someone asks you this question. What did you do last weekend? A person with cognitive overload might say, last weekend, it was Saturday, and I went to a place with trees. It was nice. The brain is working too hard. The speech is not clear. Now, let's use the keyword method. First, think for 5 seconds. Find one keyword. Maybe your keyword is park. Now, start your answer with your keyword. Say the keyword first. Then add simple sentences about it. It looks like this. I went to the park. It was a beautiful day. I walked for about 1 hour. I felt very relaxed and happy. Do you see the difference? The sentences are simple. The message is clear. The speaker sounds confident. This is the power of one keyword. Step 2. Speak with 3 keywords. Now, let's try something more advanced. We can use 2 or 3 keywords. This is very useful for bigger questions. It gives your thoughts a clear structure. Imagine your boss asks you, "What is your plan for the new project?" This is a big question. It can cause stress. But don't worry. Just use the keyword method. Take 10 seconds. Find 3 keywords for your plan. For example, research, team, and schedule. Now, before you explain, you do something important. You give a small preview. You tell the listener your plan. You tell them your 3 keywords first. It looks like this. My plan has 3 main parts. They are research, team, and schedule. This preview is very helpful for the listener. It helps them follow your ideas easily. Then you talk about each keyword one by one. First, research. I will study our customer needs for 1 week. Second, the team. I will meet with the design team and the marketing team. Third, the schedule. I will create a full project schedule by next Friday. This answer is clear, organized, and professional. You did not need to think of every word in advance. You only needed 3 keywords. Your brain did the rest of the work easily. Your turn to practice. Knowledge is not power. Action is power. You must practice this method to make it strong. I will give you a question. What is one goal you have for this year? Think about your answer. Find 1, 2, or 3 keywords. Write your keywords in the comments below. This is your first step to speaking with confidence. Now for the special brain trick I promised you. This trick comes from habit formation science. The science says that the best way to build a new habit is to connect it to an old habit. Here is the trick. Every day you do something regular. Maybe you drink coffee in the morning. Maybe you ride a bus to work. Choose one of your daily habits. During that habit, practice the keyword method 1 time. Ask yourself a simple question. For example, what am I grateful for today? Then find 1 keyword. Maybe it's family or health. Just think of the keyword. That's all. This small daily action takes only 10 seconds, but it trains your brain. It builds a new pathway in your mind. Soon, finding keywords will become automatic. You will do it without even thinking. You do not need to learn thousands of new words to speak clearly. You just need a better system for your brain. The keyword method is your new system. Watch this video again tomorrow. Listen to the simple sentences. Practice saying them out loud. Soon, this way of speaking will feel natural to you. You will see yourself become a better, more confident speaker. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing. If you found this helpful, please click like and subscribe to Easy English for Better You. For those who want to go deeper, you can join our membership. You will get a PDF summary of today's lesson,